Welcome to today's episode about either and neither, or neither, either. Today, I wanted to explain first the use of either and neither. Second, how to use neither do I or I don't either. And last, we will explore the use of me neither and the colloquial curious me either. This video was inspired by conversations with my beloved Japanese friends Ayumi and Sayaka. They asked my wife and I about the use of either and neither, so I wanted to make this video for them and all the people that might have the same questions. So let's dive right into it. Our first use of either and neither is for choice and rejection. Either to neither wa 選択と拒否のために使うんだ。For example, when presenting two options as in either sushi or ramen for dinner sounds great. It's like saying 晩ご飯には寿司かラーメンのどちらがいいです。On the other hand, neither expresses rejection of both options, as in neither sushi nor ramen appeals to me tonight, or 今夜は寿司もラーメンも魅力的ではない。Here are some more examples, first in English, then in Japanese. You can have either chocolate or the vanilla ice cream. チョコレートかバニラのアイスクリーム、どっちか選んでいいよ。I could go either to Japan or Korea for my vacation. 休みには日本か韓国、どっちかに行ける。You can either stay here or come with us. ここにいるか私たちと一緒に来るかどっちか選べるよ。Next, we find the phrases neither do I and I don't either. These are used when you agree with something you dislike. I don't like spicy food. Neither do I. 辛い食べ物は好きじゃないんだ。私も。I don't watch much TV. I don't either. あまりテレビ見ないんだ。私もだよ。I don't have a car. Neither do I. 車持ってないんだ。私も持ってない。I can't swim. I don't either. 泳げないんだ。私も。I don't remember the address. Neither do I. 住所覚えてないんだ。私も覚えてない。Last, we have the casual way of me neither and me either. In a casual conversation, me neither is used as a symbol of agreement, an informal nod to share experiences or opinions. It is less formal than neither do I and is suitable for relaxed dialogues among friends. For example, someone might say, I'm not a fan of homework, and you totally agree. You can say, me neither, to show that you are on the same page. Interestingly, in everyday conversation, you also find me either in this same context. This is not conventional grammar, while me neither is traditionally correct. Me either has evolved and it is now part of the casual speech of many English speakers. Here are some examples. I haven't seen that movie. Me either. その映画見てないんだ。私もだよ。I don't like camping. Me neither. キャンプは好きじゃないんだ。私も。I haven't been to Japan. Me neither. 日本に行ったことないんだ。私も。I don't eat meat. Me neither. 肉食べないんだ。私も。I can't understand this problem. Me neither. この問題わからないんだ。私も。You have just learned how to use either, neither, and those laid-back ways of saying you agree or disagree with someone. Now you have got what it takes to dive into conversations, finding common ground, or even discovering what both don't like and everything else that comes up. So until we head off on another language journey, keep on learning and talking. Bye for now.